Migrating a data warehouse to Azure Synapse is a strategic decision that can help organizations leverage the power of cloud-based analytics and machine learning. This guide will walk you through the step-by-step process of migrating your data warehouse to Azure Synapse. First, assess your current data warehouse environment and identify the key components that need to be migrated, such as databases, tables, and workflows. Evaluate the complexity of your data warehouse and determine the best approach for migration. Next, prepare your Azure Synapse environment by creating a new workspace and setting up the necessary resources, including storage, compute, and security groups. Ensure that your Azure Synapse environment is properly configured to handle the volume and complexity of your data. Now, migrate your data to Azure Synapse using tools such as Azure Data Factory, Azure Databricks, or SQL Server Integration Services. Choose the tool that best fits your needs and skill set. For example, Azure Data Factory is a fully managed service that allows you to create, schedule, and manage your data pipelines. After migrating your data, focus on re-architecting your data warehouse to take advantage of Azure Synapse features such as column store indexing, materialized views, and distributed query processing. Optimize your data warehouse design to improve performance and reduce costs. Then, migrate your workflows and ETL processes to Azure Synapse using tools such as Azure Data Factory, Azure Databricks, or SQL Server Integration Services. Use Azure Synapse pipelines to orchestrate your workflows and leverage the power of cloud-based analytics and machine learning. Finally, test and validate your migrated data warehouse to ensure that it is working as expected. Monitor performance, identify and troubleshoot issues, and optimize your data warehouse for better performance and cost efficiency. Best practices for migrating a data warehouse to Azure Synapse include starting small, testing and validating each component, and monitoring performance and costs. It is also essential to have a clear understanding of Azure Synapse features and limitations, as well as the skills and expertise required to manage and maintain a cloud-based data warehouse. In conclusion, migrating a data warehouse to Azure Synapse requires careful planning, execution, and testing. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully migrate your data warehouse to Azure Synapse and unlock the power of cloud-based analytics and machine learning.